Welcome back to the e-commerce knowledge in under 5 minute series. Today, we're continuing our Amazon sponsored products advertising strategy breakdown, and this week we're focusing on Amazon's choice campaigns, a strategy aimed at winning the highly sought after Amazon's choice badge. The goal here of an Amazon's choice campaign is simple: to acquire the Amazon's choice badge for a specific keyword. The badge helps boost your product impression and credibility, which will significantly increase your sales. Here's how you can do it. First, you want to target the keyword you'd like to win the Amazon's Choice badge by using an exact match keyword campaign. Exact match ensures that your ads show up only when someone searches for the keyword, which helps increase the relevance of your listing for that specific term. It's important to target a keyword that's attainable. How do you figure that out? Go to your search query performance in brand analytics and look for a keyword under your ASIN with a high search query volume, where your product already has a relatively high ASIN impression share and also purchase rate. The higher your numbers for these metrics, the better your chances of winning that Amazon's Choice badge. In summary, Amazon's Choice campaigns are all about precision and persistence. The goal is to target the right keyword with exact match and choose a keyword you can realistically win. Next week, we'll be diving into discovery campaigns to help you find new keywords and product target opportunities. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it, and leave a thumbs up if you found this video helpful.